Congratulations to all my Nigeria people in Lobodo, Libya. As you all know, say Mr. Mighty know they carry last. Hey, I don't promise when I say anytime where they don't carry this passport come, or maybe form don't dey around, I go dey update it now. Say okay, oh yeah, let's go there. Now they don't release
Mighty Play TV. We give you the best.
Àkú oríire o. Wọ́n ti gbé passport dé o, fọ́ọ̀mù ti wà ń ta, ẹ máa lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù yín báyìí o, ẹ máa lọ bò wìtìwìtì. Form today is okay o, if you wan do passport and you wan do NIN, shey you get now, they don dey gidigba for embassy now, so that I go dey read this thing for you so that you go know what you need and what you will take along. On the 6th February 2025, they don release am Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They don come, they don announce say form don dey gidigba for embassy in Libya here to the general public. Requirements of the following services which I will be calling now. Everybody wey you know say maybe you wan do one of these things that I'm going to mention. Going to embassy now in Tripoli here, go and do your whatever you want to do. You want to do passport, you want to do NIN, you want to do TC, attestation letter, you want to do anything you want to do, just go straight to the embassy and go and register now. Let's go. Let me be calling it one by one. For the passport issue, fresh passport, the money don, you know say before na $106, but now this thing don arise fresh passport is $162 now, $162, and charges of the form, you will plus 80 dinar for the form. You will fill form 80 dinar and $162. Now you go carry along and with your all this your birth certificate, your state origin, your photo passport, I've already mentioned that one in my previous video. If you want to renew your passport also, you want to renew maybe your expired don liquidate, you get me, that one too na $162. Your form, the form that you will obtain, is $80. Una dey hear me? So I don tell you say anytime wey this form come, anytime wey our immigration they don land for embassy, I go dey update una. Okay, shey you get now? Let's go there. If your passport is lost or they stole am, you want to get it back, same amount, $162 plus 80 dinar for the form. 80 dinar for the form. I think you dey hear me? Me, I dey talk in my own. No, go to embassy now. Don't let anybody dupe you say I dey do passport, I dey do this. No, na only embassy get the authority to issue you passport. Passport don dey gidigba for embassy now. You can continue to go and obtain your form now. Date on the 6th, they release am this morning on the 6th February 2025. No be say last year. And the second one wey I wan tell you na be NIN. You know say you wan do your NIN, you go do NIN there. NIN don dey for embassy now in Tripoli, Nigeria embassy in Tripoli. NIN don dey gidigba. Anybody wey wan do NIN now, rush down to embassy, Nigeria embassy in Tripoli. How much for that one? That one is $40. $40 plus 80 dinar for the form. You will obtain a form which is 80 dinar and you will pay $40 for your NIN. Is that clear? And the third one wey we say we dey usually do, we dey do am before, is attestation letter. Attestation letter wey be say you no get passport, you no get this, you no get that, that attestation letter, that one is 80 dinar now. Before I think it's 50 or 60 dinar, but now it's 80 dinar for embassy. You go to embassy and go obtain that form. Attestation letter is 80 dinar. If you want to do it, it's 80 dinar. And again, we call something in etc, which is insurance of emergency travel certificate. That wey we dey call am tc etc na etc. That one now, if you wan do am for adult na 80 dinar. You go see am. For children na 50 dinar. I go dey carry you reach there, make anybody go do but if you wan, no be say you know say you no fit go to embassy, but na you wan go to your community dis thing, know say no be 80 dinar they go collect o. They no go collect 80 dinar because those people they go use money go to embassy, go help you fill the form and come back. Shey you get, they go attach that fees join am. Shey you no dey hear? You dey hear me? The one wey be say I still wan mention na authentication of document. That one na 80 dinar. I think that first one and second one wey I mention na im be the important thing wey wey I come here for. Issuing of passport. If you wan do your passport now, you don dey gidigba for embassy, and if you wan do your NIN, you don dey gidigba for Nigeria embassy in Tripoli here. They don announce am, they don put this thing, they don put am out say everybody wey wan do am, make you come to embassy now, make you come dey register before people go plenty o. May I talk my own o. If it's the first time you are seeing my channel, please do me well to subscribe, like, share, so that everybody they can gain from this video. Thank you so much. I still give Mr. Mighty Play TV. Give you the best. We give you the best. Sure now. Please, congratulations to all my Nigeria people in Obodo, Libya. Say this thing we have been waiting for it, and don't be panic. Maybe you do your passport last year. I know this time they come to stay. So that if you do your passport and then maybe in 2 weeks or I think in 1 month, if you go and collect your passport back, I think they are not going back like that again. Maybe they want to stay here to be doing work in Libya fully. Thank you so much. Aku oríire o. Wọ́n ti gbé passport dé o. Fọ́ọ̀mù ti wà ń ta. Ẹ máa lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù yín báyìí o. Ẹ máa lọ bò wìtìwìtì lẹ́mbàsì. Ẹ tètè. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe passport, o fẹ́ ṣe NIN, àti náà máa gbé wá fún yín. A máa ṣe kíni, a máa gbé yín débẹ̀ lórí ìkànnì Mighty Play TV. Ẹ ṣáà ti mọ̀. Bá a ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe kíni, tó fẹ́ ṣe passport, $162 ni o, kò ṣe dinar o. $162 ni o. Wà á lọ fi dinar yẹn, wà á lọ fi ṣẹ́ dọ́là. Wà á kó $162 yẹn, wà á kó lọ sí embassy. Wà á mú 80 dinar dání fowó fọ́ọ̀mù. Ìyẹn ló máa kó dá, ló máa fi gba fọ́ọ̀mù. 162 yẹn ló máa ṣe kíni, òun ló máa fi ṣe kíni, ló máa fi sanwó pásípọ̀tù. Nǹkan tó gbé wá tó ní ká ṣe kíni, ká sọ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tẹ̀ ń bẹ nínú Libya nù o. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ passport ẹ o fẹ́ rì ní ìwọ̀n ẹ̀ ní ó ti lukudéètì, àbò sọnù, price ẹ ò yí padà, $162 náà ní. Ẹ tètè lọ ra dọ́là báyìí o. Wọ́n ní dọ́là àtẹ̀ẹ̀tà báyìí. Ẹ má yẹ kí dọ́là lọ wọ́n ẹjọ́ nítorí ọlọ́run ìṣòrí burúkú o. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ní NIN. Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe NIN, òun náà ṣe kíni, ó ti wà ń ta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni $40 nìyẹn. $40 ní NIN, òun nìyẹn. 80 dinar, òun ni owó fọ́ọ̀mù tẹ máa mú dání. Ṣé ó ti yé yín? Attestation letter tẹ máa ń gbà fẹ́ni tí ò bá ní pálí, tí ò ní passport tó máa ń gbà tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó dà pé 50 dinar ló ń gbà tẹ́lẹ̀ tàbí 60. Àmọ́ ní lẹ́sẹ̀yìn ó ti di 80 dinar o. Lẹ́sẹ̀yìn 80 dinar lẹ máa mú dání. Ṣé ó yé wa? Ìyẹn bá. Ṣé ẹ wá rí emergency travel certificate tá máa ń gbà, tá máa ń pè ní TC. Ìyẹn náà ó ti di 80 dinar o. 80 dinar ni o. 80 dinar. Ṣé ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ó ti di 80 dinar. Ọmọ kékeré 50 dinar. Àbáyọ̀mí lórúkọ mi o, Mr. Mighty. Òun náà wáyé gbà àkọ́kọ́ tẹ máa kọ́ rí wa lélẹ̀. Ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa follow, ẹ bá wa pín káàkiri kó lè kan ará ilé, kó lè kan ará oko. Wípé passport ṣe kíni, ó ti kalẹ̀ sí embassy báyìí. alámàwá yìí la máa bá lágbára Ọlọ́run bá mi Èdùmàrè nkọ́kọ́ orin oníṣẹ́ mi gbogbo wa á jọ kórè kó délé o Mr. Mighty ló ń fi èyí ṣe lọ pé ó dàbọ̀.